The partnership between Infinix and Singapore-based game developer Garena continues with the Infinix Hot 40 Pro Free Fire Edition. The Hot 40 series was announced earlier this month, and this is our first encounter with the top dog Hot 40 Pro. Being a limited edition phone is one thing, but the Hot 40 Pro in the bundle is just the regular Horizon Gold color phone with no additional design changes or Free Fire branding. You do get an extensive care package bundled with the device. The goodie box includes a 33W charger, USB A to C cable, a black silicone case and a Free Fire branded cooler with RGB lighting which attaches to the back of the phone and plugs into the USB-C port. Hot 40 Pro features a flat plastic frame which helps with the lightweight feel, despite the sizable 6.78-inch LCD and 200 grams weight. The phone boots XOS 13.5, based on Android 13 and features Magic Ring status bar, displaying notifications and system info and a pill around the front-facing camera. The back houses a substantial camera island headlined by a 108MP main shooter. The interface feels clean and the 120Hz refresh rate helps with speedy animations. Hot 40 Pro is equipped with MediaTek's Helio G99 chip, which has been powering mid-rangers for a few years now. Infinix also boasts its Boost engine game launcher, enabling enhanced stability during gameplay. This smartphone is the mightiest of the trio, with a 6nm Helio G99 chipset. The screen is a 6.78-inch LCD with Full HD Plus resolution and supports up to 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. There is only one RAM option for the Hot 40 Pro, 8GB, while storage is either 128GB or 256GB. The Infinix Hot 40 Pro has the best main camera with a 108MP sensor. Next to it on the back is a 2MP macro shooter, and what is listed as an AI cam. The selfie shooter has a 32MP sensor and is inside a punch hole, around which Infinix made a magic ring, a dynamic island type